three transaction codes in ECC: XT01, FT01, and BD01. Okay. Customer will be created using three transaction codes in ECC and using BP transaction code in open. నేను చేంజెస్ అప్లై చేసి నేను ఇస్తాను, ఇద్దరికి ఇచ్చేసాను, ఇద్దరు నేను చెక్ చేసి నేను వాట్సాప్ చేస్తాను. So customer will be created using three transaction codes: XT01, FT01, and BD01 ECC, and business partner BP in S4 HANA. Okay. So customer master can be a sold to party, a ship to party, a bill to party, a payer. That will be taken care by the account group. Okay. What are the standard account groups we have discussed? 0001 is for sold to party, 0002 is for ship to party, 0003 is for payer, and 0004 is for bill to party. Okay. So these are the four standard account groups given by SAP. So we have discussed about account group. What is the transaction code for account group? OBT0. OBT0 is the transaction code for account group. Okay. We have created one account group. Standard account group in copy cheskuni one account group in create chesamu. We have defined number ranges. What is the transaction code for number ranges? XTN1. XTN1 is customer number ranges. ఈ transaction code తో మనం number ranges create చేస్తాము. And we'll be saying whether the customer is a full-time customer or a one-time customer. We have discussed it. There will be a real-time scenarios where there could be one-time customers. For a one-time customer, we are not creating master data. One-time customer, we are not creating master data. Just we are creating a template, and the template will be used at the time of creation of sales order. Okay, one-time customers ki we will be creating a template. Right. And through account group, we will be doing the field status. End user customer ని క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏ ఫీల్డ్స్ మ్యాండేటరీగా ఎంటర్ చేయాలనేది ఈ ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ ద్వారా కంట్రోల్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే. అండ్ త్రూ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్ విల్ బి డూయింగ్ పార్ట్నర్ డిటర్మినేషన్ ప్రొసీజర్, PDP, పార్ట్నర్ డిటర్మినేషన్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఓకే. So just remember, end user will be creating customer using XT01 transaction code, FD01 transaction code, and BD01 transaction code. A transaction code to create chesna, you need to select an account group. Okay. If we select 0001 account group, he is sold to party. If we select 0002 account group, ship to party. If we select 0003 account group, payer. If we select 0004 account group, bill to party. Okay. So these are the four standard account groups given by SAP. Now, suppose if your end user is selecting 0001, he is sold to party. But this particular 0001 sold to party is having a partner determination procedure, standard partner determination procedure AG, and in this AG, sold to party is there, ship to party is there, bill to party is there, and payer is there. So this account group customer is basically a sold to party, but he will be acting as ship to party, bill to party, and payer because of this partner determination procedure. Okay. So what is account group, amma? Account group is a combination of similar accounts. All sold to parties will be created in 0001 account group. All ship to parties will be created in 0002 account group. All bill to parties is created in 0004 account group. And all payers are created in 0003 account groups. And all one-time customers are created in either CPD account group or CPDA account group. Okay. So what is the transaction code for account group? OBT0. Remember, transaction code for account group is OBT0. And we consultant deals with account group. We consultant deals with account group. Now account group ka deal chestam. Understood, right? And if you go inside the account group, standard account group 0001. So through account group, we will be creating number ranges. Each account group, for each account group, will be maintaining the number ranges. Okay. What is the transaction code to maintain number ranges? XTN1. Just remember, XTN1 transaction code is the transaction code to maintain the number ranges. You go to change intervals and you will be getting all the number ranges. What I am saying is, don't create new number ranges. Just take an existing number range. ఏదో ఒక number range తీసుకోండి. Okay. Assign that particular number range to this అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్. ఆ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్కి ఆ నెంబర్ రేంజెస్ అసైన్ చేయండి. అండ్ there is no, this account group customers is not a one time customers, అందుకని ఈ వన్ టైం అకౌంట్ అనేది అన్చెక్ చేయాలి. యూ నీడ్ టు అన్చెక్ దట్ వన్ టైం అకౌంట్. ఓకే. అండ్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ అని ఉంటుందమ్మా. This particular field status says if end user is creating any customer, that customer will be having general data. In general data, in address tab, what are the fields your end user has to manually enter? What is optional fields? That everything will be taken care by this particular field status group. Okay, so through account group, we'll be controlling the field status via field status, and we'll be doing partner determination procedure. Okay, so this partner determination procedure says who is your customer. This customer is basically sold to party, but this account group has partner determination procedure AG, standard AG has sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. So all the customers who are created using this account group, all the customers who are created with this within this account group or within this number range, and will be acting according to partner determination procedure. The transaction code for partner determination procedure is